Welcome to English Practice Everyday. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition as is used in various contexts to indicate similarity, role, function, time, situation, manner, etc. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition as indicating similarity is used to show similarity or likeness between two things. Preposition as is used to show similarity or likeness between two things. Joe is as tall as his father. Joe is as tall as his father. Maria is as smart as her sister. Maria is as smart as her sister. Zoe sings as beautifully as a bird. Zoe sings as beautifully as a bird. The cake tastes as sweet as honey. The cake tastes as sweet as honey. The movie is as exciting as the book. The movie is as exciting as the book. 2. Preposition as indicating role or function is used to denote a person's role, job, or function. Preposition as is used to denote a person's role, job, or function. Ivy excels as a public speaker. Ivy excels as a public speaker. I will participate as a volunteer. I will participate as a volunteer. The device functions as a GPS. The device functions as a GPS. Jane serves as the team captain. Jane serves as the team captain. Sam works as a software engineer. Sam works as a software engineer. 3. Preposition as indicating condition or situation is used to express condition or situation under which something happens. Preposition as is used to express condition or situation under which something happens. Eva is happy as always. Eva is happy as always. We'll meet again as agreed. We'll meet again as agreed. I left the park as it was getting dark. I left the park as it was getting dark. As it started raining, they took shelter. As it started raining, they took shelter. The public gathered as the street fight erupted. The public gathered as the street fight erupted. 4. Preposition as indicating time or duration is used to express the time or duration of an action. Preposition as is used to express the time or duration of an action. Grandpa retired as of last year. Grandpa retired as of last year. We'll meet again as the sun sets. We'll meet again as the sun sets. I will arrive at the party as soon as possible. I will arrive at the party as soon as possible. Leo's been working here as long as I can remember. Leo's been working here as long as I can remember. The meeting is scheduled for 2 p.m., same as yesterday. The meeting is scheduled for 2 p.m., same as yesterday. 5. Preposition as indicating manner or method is used to describe the way something is done. Preposition as is used to describe the way something is done. Do it as instructed. Do it as instructed. Speak as if you mean it. Speak as if you mean it. They completed the project as required. They completed the project as required. As per your request, here is the information. As per your request, here is the information. Lucy solved the problem as explained in the manual. Lucy solved the problem as explained in the manual. 6. Preposition as indicating degree or quantity is used to show the extent or degree of something. Preposition as is used to show the extent or degree of something. Amy is not as tall as her brother. Amy is not as tall as her brother. The weather is as hot as yesterday. The weather is as hot as yesterday. The job is not as difficult as it seems. The job is not as difficult as it seems. The cost is not as high as I expected. The cost is not as high as I expected. The movie wasn't as good as the reviews suggested. The movie wasn't as good as the reviews suggested. 7. Preposition as indicating reason or cause is used to express the reason or cause behind something. Preposition as is used to express the reason or cause behind something. Emily did it as a gesture of goodwill. Emily did it as a gesture of goodwill. Mia was late as her car broke down. Mia was late as her car broke down. The event was cancelled as a precaution. The event was cancelled as a precaution. Jake refused to eat as he was not hungry. Jake refused to eat as he was not hungry. Jeff resigned as a result of the disagreement. Jeff resigned as a result of the disagreement. 8. Preposition as indicating purpose, function, or capacity is used to specify the purpose or capacity in which something is used. Preposition as is used to specify the purpose or capacity in which something is used. I'll use this knife as a tool. I'll use this knife as a tool. She wore a mask as a disguise. She wore a mask as a disguise. The room can be used as a study. The room can be used as a study. Alex joined the expedition as a guide. Alex joined the expedition as a guide. The laptop functions as a portable office. The laptop functions as a portable office. 9. Preposition as indicating simultaneous actions is used to express actions happening at the same time. Preposition as is used to express actions happening at the same time. She sang as he played the guitar. She sang as he played the guitar. I took notes as the professor lectured. I took notes as the professor lectured. He laughed as he watched the comedy. He laughed as he watched the comedy. He painted the wall as she cleaned the floor. He painted the wall as she cleaned the floor. The crowd cheered as the team scored a goal. The crowd cheered as the team scored a goal. 10. Preposition as indicating association or identity is used to show association or identity with a group or category. Preposition as is used to show association or identity with a group or category. She is regarded as a leader in her field. She is regarded as a leader in her field. The painting is celebrated as a masterpiece. The painting is celebrated as a masterpiece. The mountain is famous as a tourist destination. The mountain is famous as a tourist destination. He was known as the inventor of the technology. He was known as the inventor of the technology. The company is regarded as a pioneer in innovation. The company is regarded as a pioneer in innovation. 11. Preposition as indicating comparison with a role model is used to show comparison with a well-known figure or role model. Preposition as is used to show comparison with a well-known figure or role model. She aspires to be as successful as Oprah. She aspires to be as successful as Oprah. He trains hard to run as fast as Usain Bolt. He trains hard to run as fast as Usain Bolt. The student aims to excel as much as Einstein. The student aims to excel as much as Einstein. They strive to be as dedicated as Mother Teresa. They strive to be as dedicated as Mother Teresa. The team hopes to perform as well as the champions. The team hopes to perform as well as the champions. 12. Preposition as indicating the way something is known is used to describe the identity or reputation of something or someone. Preposition as is used to describe the identity or reputation of something or someone. He is famous as a brilliant scientist. He is famous as a brilliant scientist. The dish is popular as a local delicacy. The dish is popular as a local delicacy. The movie is remembered as a classic. The movie is remembered as a classic. She is recognized as an expert in her field. She is recognized as an expert in her field. The building is known as the city's landmark. The building is known as the city's landmark. 13. Preposition as part of common expressions and idioms is used in various idiomatic expressions and phrases. Preposition as is used in various idiomatic expressions and phrases. For example, as far as I know. As good as gold. As a matter of fact. As soon as possible. As luck would have it. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition as in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.